Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Anna again, and today I'm going to be trying out a blooming gel eyeball technique and seeing how that goes. So I'm just starting off with Snow White for our base, and I'll just do a couple of cuts of this and cure it for 60 seconds in between. Next I'm going in with blooming gel, just putting on a really nice thin layer of that all over the nail before we add in some colour. Next I'm going in with Burlesque, and I'm just going to be using a dotting tool and popping little dots randomly across the nail. It will start to bloom a little bit with the blooming gel already, but if you hang around in a second you'll see some magic happen with a little bit of gel residue wipe-off solution. So you don't want to be curing in between all these layers using the blooming gel. I repeat, do not cure the blooming gel. And you can see I'm just going in with the Gel Residue Remover Solution and dotting this on with the dotting tool, and you can see all those beautiful markings just blooming out away from the original dots of Burlesque. And now you are allowed to cure this for 60 seconds, and there you have it. That's the result of this first part of the technique. But I thought I would go in and I would try adding in some extra details. So stick with me if you want to see them. So we're going in with our clear as day builder in a bottle, and I'm just going to be adding this on top of the eyeballs, and this will just add the 3D effect and round them off. You can go in with more layers of the builder gel depending on how high you want these domes. And pop that in for 60 seconds to cure. Next I'm going in with Snow White, and I'm actually going to be using this to make the eyelid shapes around the eye, and you just want to layer this on top of the domed shape. There's so many ways that you could use this technique. It doesn't even have to be to make an eyeball, it could just be to make some funky patterns. Comment down below to let me know how you would use this technique. I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds and go in with Serious Black, and I'm just adding in some illustrative lines around the eye, so we're just going to put a nice border around it. I'm also going to go back in and add in some eyelashes, some little crease lines around the eye, and even a pupil. So by adding in all of the extra lines, it makes it a little bit more comic book style, a little bit anime, and some might say a little bit more creepy. And there you have it. That's the finished eye look. So you could add this onto all of the eyes, just keep it on the one, do one big one. So like, comment and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next from us. See you later.